guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a GTA 6 on your Xbox, and this is kind of like a pre-install type of thing. So let's get straight into the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to essentially go over to the Xbox app on your phone, and you want to basically just go ahead and go into the search bar and just type in Grand Theft Auto VI. You're not going to do this on your browser, you're going to do this on the Xbox app on your phone. So I'm just showing you because I can't record from my phone, but anyways, go over to the Xbox app on your phone. Again, type in Grand Theft Auto after you've signed in with your Xbox account, and now it will say install to select console. So once you select the console that you're currently using, it will give you 3 steps, and the steps is going to be press the Xbox button on the controller to open the guide on your console. But anyways, you're going to go over to profile and system, then you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to device and connections, and then you're going to go to remote features and then check the enable remote features option. Now once you enable that, once you check the enable remote features option, you can go ahead and connect your console, and then it will automatically install, because once you install it from the phone, it will allow you to install from Xbox app on your phone, and then it will automatically install to your Xbox console. And then you will see like GTA 6 like downloaded as any other game. Obviously you won't be able to play it, but it will be downloaded and it will be there just like any other game like Fortnite or Roblox, etc. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. That is how to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.